Well, here comes the fire chief, guys, and that's the Dansville fire siren for you guys. Here, I'll go over there. I don't know if he's going to have his lights on. Probably won't. No. Yeah, they were at a forest fire down in Austin this morning. One of my cousins told me it took them 5 hours to put that thing out. So it must have been pretty bad. We never get forest fires around here in New York State. California's is worse though. So for any of my viewers who are in California, hopefully you guys are staying safe. You know. But yeah, and then last night there was a Jeep that was smoking. Fire siren almost went off twice. One of them was because there was a fire alarm activation at Faulkner Apartments there on Main Street. And then the other one was that there was a Jeep smoking. And I'll turn this back on when the fire truck comes around, if it comes around, guys, okay? So part 2 will be uploaded very soon, very shortly. Thanks for watching.